Merry Christmas everyone, I hope the big man has been to your house, as today's present to you guys is the Christmas Black Russian. So it's your classic Black Russian but with a little bit of a twist with the peppermint or Creme De Menthe, which is what I'm going to use. So it's quite a simple one to make on Christmas Day, which is today. As all it is a very simple combination. So if you know a Black Russian, it's always a 2-to-1 ratio of vodka to Kahlua. But what we are going to do is add the peppermint, so it's going to be 2-1-1 like that. So what we're going to do is 60ml or 2 ounces of vodka. We're using that Ciroc. But the Black Russian is one of my favourite cocktails to make. I like the simplicity and I like the Kahlua. I love coffee-based liqueur. So 60ml, 2 ounces of vodka, 1 ounce, 30ml of Kahlua, or Tia Maria, or any coffee-based liqueur that you can find. And now what we're going to do now is add the Creme De Menthe. So you've got peppermint schnapps, that's even better. What we're going to do now is add 30ml or 1 ounce of Creme De Menthe or peppermint schnapps if you have it. Right, so get your bar spoon and now give it a little stir just to mix in. And the final thing to do now is garnish it with a candy cane. And it's simple as that. One Christmas Black Russian. So there we have it, ladies and gentlemen. One Christmas Black Russian. How does it taste? It's one of those cocktails that shouldn't work with peppermint, but it does. It's an interesting taste, and I kind of like it. I like that the Creme De Menthe works with the coffee liqueur and the vodka. It's a weird taste, but it works. It's very peppermint. It's got to say it tastes like Christmas. So Merry Christmas everyone. Hope you're all having a wonderful day with your loved ones as well, with your family and friends. So Merry Christmas or Happy Holidays to everyone around the world that is watching this video today. But that, guys, is the Christmas Black Russian. That is my take on it. Merry Christmas. Absolutely perfect. That does the job. It's simple, it's quick to make, and you can just knock it up on Christmas Day. Beautiful. But that, guys, has been the Christmas Man High. I hope you enjoyed the Christmas cocktails throughout the last month as well. As what we're doing now is doing it. So what we'll be doing now is doing more cocktails in the run to New Year's Day itself now for the start of 2024. So any cocktail recommendation, do let me know below. As the next cocktail will be the Zeena. And I will see you then. Cheers. Tastes like Christmas.